Hey everybody, it's just me, Mrs. Manzo again. I'm looking at a couple problems today about the math that's due next week. Today we're looking at relating fractions to 1. So let's look at this first question here. Which fraction could represent point A on the number line? Okay, so we have a number line and we have A here, and we see that A is at 1. So it has this 3 answer choices. We have 2/3, 1/1, and 8/6. Well, if I'm looking here at this, anytime that there's just a number, we can rewrite that number as a whole as 1/1. So this just means 1. That's the same thing here. We know that it's not 2/3 because it's 1 whole, and 2/3 means it's a piece of a whole. And we know that it's not 8/6 because 8/6 is 1 whole plus 2/6. Because we know that if the whole is 6 pieces, it takes 6 pieces to get a whole. And then if it's 8/6, we have to add 2/6 onto that. So the answer has got to be B, because 1 equals 1/1. Yep, that's right. And now let's look at write whole numbers as fractions. Let's see what this is. It says each circle is 1 whole. What fraction describes the 2 wholes? Okay, so what I'm going to look at here is how many pieces are there. I see this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Okay, so I'm just counting how many pieces there are. Why is this in fourths? Because each circle is cut into 4 equal parts. Each circle is cut into 4 equal parts. So when I'm counting, I have to count it in fourths because each circle is cut into fourths. There are 4 equal parts. And it's asking us about the 2 wholes, not just the 1 whole, 2 wholes. So I'm going to keep counting over here. This would be 5/4. This would be 6/4. This would be 7/4. And this would be 8/4. Do we see that as an answer choice? Yes, we do. That's A. But I hope you can kind of see why I counted it like that. We have 2 wholes. Each one is a whole, but each one is cut into fourths. That's why I counted it by fourths and not eighths. These 2 circles are not cut into eighths. They're cut into fourths. Let's check our answer. Whoops. Good. So there we have it. That was 2 questions here. Let me know if you want me to go over any others. Actually, so this week, we have a little bit of math to finish up here, and then we're done with the unit on fractions. So just do your best with it. Let me know if you have any specific questions about the fractions, and make sure you're watching the videos here also to help you out with them. All right, thank you.